Alright guys, so this one I'm going to do a lot of pet treatment. Booked the job for carpet cleaning and noted it may need enzymes after doing a walkthrough. Every room needs enzymes. So $275 for the cleaning and $200 additional for the enzymes. Put out my cones. Note guys, I put out the cones not just for safety reasons, but kind of to help bring attention to there's a carpet cleaner on their block, you know? Driving billboards.
What's up YouTube? Tommy here from Green Rhino. I've been documenting my journey on this channel from a part-time hustle as a machinist to operating a very successful cleaning company. My goal is to show you what I was looking for when I was starting out, sharing the cleaning solutions I use, the equipment, so I can help others thinking about getting into the cleaning industry. And maybe, just maybe, I'm gonna make that first step. It can change your life like it did me. Don't worry industry, I'm not trying to be the know-it-all carpet cleaning, but I am trying to be an example of what could be.
So yeah, pretty much every room is like this. Now what would have happened if I would have left this light at home? Would have cleaned this carpet, possibly would have been a urine smell after we left. The next day as it dried, and the customer would have called us back and said it smells like urine now. So not only is this light gonna make you a lot of money, it's also gonna protect you. It's a necessary tool if you're gonna be a carpet cleaner. Get one of these lights, guys. That's what I'm using for my odor destroyer. And being the whole house is saturated, so sorry for my van, guys. A rough week. Gotta clean it up this week. Go Oxy. So I'm gonna boost my pre-spray with this. It's gonna get rid of all the staining. I'll go through there separately and treat the carpet separately with this. Cheapest way of doing it. I would have liked to do if not had this already pre-made. And I would have added the deodorizer to that because it sprays down a lot quicker, a lot stronger. And then just use this for my pre-spray. But, you know, improvise. So 12 ounces per gallon. added to my pre-spray. So it's cleaning it and getting rid of those organic stains.
Real quick guys, if you're thinking on getting into the carpet cleaning business, I do offer a step-by-step course below all my videos in a link. How to start a carpet cleaning business, not only the technical side, but how to get people to call you, the business side. Alright, and if you like any of the tools I use, also below all the videos that I post. Back to the video.
right, guys, so customers were super happy. Carpet came out beautiful, as you can tell. I didn't do too much of a walkthrough afterwards, but you can tell as I was cleaning how all those pet urine stains were gone. Customer, as paying, said, you know, she'd used other carpet cleaners before, and they were never happy with the fragrance of the carpet cleaning solution or pet treatment that they used. Yeah, I don't know what they were using, but they were never happy with it. But they were really happy with the smell of this stuff. And I told her, you know, I'm really meticulous on it. I have a lot of pet owner customers, clients, and, you know, I'm meticulous even to the smell. So I've stopped using certain products because I didn't like the smell. I didn't think the customers were going to like it. And this is the product I was using today. I think I showed you already, but in case I did it, get in here. This stuff right here, Sagerside eucalyptus, okay? I like the smell of it. That's the reason why I use it. I know there's a lot of other products that do the same thing, but they have different fragrances. And on top of that, I just like the dude who owns the company, Mark, man, that guy's a character. But yeah, great product. I'm gonna keep using it, you know? I like the smell of it, customers like the smell of it, and I'm sure she'll be calling me back next time. Okay? Have a good one. See you in the next one.